In this video, I will show you how to install or update your NVIDIA graphics driver to version 610.62 using a clean installation on Windows. First, open the NVIDIA driver download page. The link is available in the video description. Now, select your NVIDIA graphics card model. If you do not know your graphics card, right-click the Start button, open DeviceManager, and expand Display Adapters. Here you can see your GPU name. Next, select your Windows version, either Windows 10 or Windows 11, then click Find. On the next page, locate NVIDIA GeForce Game Ready Driver version 610.62. Click View and then click Download. Once the download is complete, run the installer and click Yes if prompted. Click OK, then click Agree and Continue. Now select Custom Installation instead of Express Installation and click Next. Make sure to check the box that says Perform a Clean Installation, then click Next. Wait for the installation to finish. Your screen may flicker a few times during the process. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. After the restart, your NVIDIA graphics driver will be successfully updated to version 610.62. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.